Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Allie and I am a domestic wannabe. And right now I am doing the FlyLady Zone Cleaning from Zone 1 to Zone 5 and documenting my journey along the way. All right, if you haven't already realized, I am officially in my new office, formerly known as the playroom. We are doing a huge switch. My son went to grandma's this week to her camper with his with two of his cousins. He is having the time of his life, and I got the urge to finally move on a project we've been thinking of, and it got switched around last minute because I was working in the Zone 3 last week where I was down in the office. And whenever I was in there, I just felt this overwhelming sense of, I don't love it. Today is the 22nd. I just finished watching the premiere of day 13 with you guys, and I think Ellen summed it up perfectly. She said, you need to do an emotional exorcism in that office. And I can't agree more. That office is just full of something that just doesn't motivate me anymore. So while I was doing the zone cleaning in there and taking time to test out hundreds of pens in my 15 minutes of zone cleaning, it hit me. We had this plan of moving the playroom down to the lower family room, moving the family room furniture into my husband's office and then moving my husband and my office together so that lower room would be we both use it for our offices, and the bed would come up to the playroom. And that way my son could play in the playroom, I could be working in the office, and he'd be near me because he likes to be near me. And then it hit me that if we do it that way, I still need to have that temporary office up here. So why don't we just get rid of the temporary office, which is gone. You saw that just a few days ago. I'm a little lost on what day, but sometime this week you saw that. And I moved my office into this room. So all of my stuff is all together, easily accessible to me. And that temporary desk, I will actually move down into the playroom. That if I need to be working on the computer while my son is playing in the playroom, because he likes to have that closeness, he likes to be near me, I can still be working on the computer without having to have the whole office in a bin going up and down the stairs to where I need to be. So my main office is now in the former playroom. I will have that temporary desk downstairs once the playroom is set up. All right, apparently this project is so large, I already filled a memory card. So what I was saying is last night we moved most of my furniture that I know is gonna come into here, up here. I do want to get a adjustable standing desk for this office, but not right now. I'm just going to live in the space for a little bit before I buy anything new. So right now I've been working on my temporary desk just because I needed to just get this stuff. I had to get my computer stuff out of the kitchen. I needed to just be moved in. I still have stuff on the walls that will probably get moved around back to the office. Some things are gonna stay because there is just some great artwork in here that I want to look at. And I have some stuff that's still toys and stuff that need to get moved down to the playroom. I'm gonna be leaving for the potluck in about 25 minutes. So I told myself, let's just do 25 minutes of arranging the furniture and getting things moved around where I would like it. Then I can start focusing on where things need to go. I'm really excited. I think this is gonna be a really fun change. We walked my son through it and tried to explain it. He was against it at first, and then when we actually kind of played in the space and said, oh, this is what it would be, he got excited. But he will not be excited if he sees his playroom looks like this. So tonight after my potluck, we are gonna move the the couch into the back room. My husband's office, he has his desk set up so he can work downstairs. My office is really like, as long as I have a space to work, that's all I need. We already know that because I'm working in the family room for over a few years. So this is last priority. As soon as we have the couches done or moved, I'm going to be cleaning that carpet and then getting that playroom set up. And I have all day tomorrow to set up the playroom, and it needs to be done before my son comes home on Saturday, which will be probably like Saturday around lunchtime is our guess. Well, I guess the last thing is I was joking with Ellen during the premiere of day 13, go back and check it here if you want, that when she said I needed to emotionally exercise, do an emotional exorcism on that office. And I joked that I have the sage. It's true, I actually have sage down there somewhere, but who knows where it is in that office. I think this is gonna be a really good switch, and that it's gonna make our lives easier and less chaotic out in that room, because I don't need this temporary file bin. I can actually put my files away. No more making piles and doing it later. I just stubbed my toe talking. Stubbed my toe on my own foot. It's the worst. Anyway, I'm going to tidy up this room. What you will notice is we are in zone 4. I've been working in the bathroom. I didn't do it yesterday. I focused on moving the playroom downstairs and moving this room upstairs. My legs felt it today. In fact, I didn't work out yesterday morning and I didn't work out this morning because I knew I'd be doing the stairs so many times. I figured that's a great leg workout for me for the day. So I haven't done my workout the last 2 days. I probably will not as well tomorrow, just to give myself that rest of moving furniture and then building a playroom basically. But I'm ready for this, and I hope that you were enjoying this. But the whole point of me coming on and talking about this is zone 4 is getting put on hold, and I did 30 minutes. I did 30 minutes in the zone in that bathroom. I made huge progress. Those cabinets are looking great. I'm gonna try and get in there tomorrow, but I've moved back to zone 3 to switch that office because I'm done with that office downstairs. I need a break from it. We need to break up. And now I'm in here, and my son is gonna have an even bigger playroom that I am kind of weeding out some toys I know he doesn't play with, because many of you have said too many toys is overwhelming. We'll talk about it tomorrow when we are in the playroom, but I agree with you. So we're gonna weed out some toys and see if he even notices that they're gone and misses them, in which case we can bring them back. Anyway, I'm talking too much. I've gotta get to work. Let's do this. So let me show you what we got.
Yesterday I told you I think that we made a mistake, 'cause you and I, we lost our sight. It's all about give and take. I don't wanna see when you're at parties with Allie and the others. You know I really got along with him and your family. Your ex got barely saw. Did we do it right? You know, no. Did we speak from our hearts so we could make it right without a fight? You know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right. It got me spinning round, round. 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 I'm standing here in plain sight. Still it doesn't seem like you see me. I hate everything about this night. Doesn't matter what I do can get to you. I don't wanna see when you're at parties with Ollie and the others. You know I really got along with him and your family. Your ex got barely saw. Did we do it right? You know, no. Did we speak from our hearts so we could make it right without a fight? You know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right.
if we leave the couch, this part of the couch out here, move the other 2 pieces in there, it could just be a temporary solution while we figure it out.
Right.
But we move the other 2 pieces because we should be able to get those 2 in there.
Right.
That frees up the space to have a playroom still. There's seating for us to still hang out and have fun. So let's just, I mean, for today, for the weekend.
Why can't we just be honest? Did we do it right? You know, no. Did we speak from our hearts so we could make it right? Without a fight, you know, no. Imagine what would happen if we did it right.